Alright guys, what do you have to say to YouTube?
I have to say I'm gonna kill John again.
But I'm on your team.
So. Check out johnstreethouse.com.
Hey dude, come on man, I'm still working on that.
I won't kill you, but let's fuck shit up.
Okay, alright, that works.
You're not fucking shit up. I'm gonna shoot you for not fucking shit up. I'm gonna fuck up your shit for not fucking up shit over there.
Don't hurt yourself.
Anyone on red team, can you read me?
I think Kevin's on 8. If he still has his comms up, he's on 8.
If he's got his comms though, isn't he on Dolphin?
I was talking to him and Ethan perfectly fine. Oh. So Balfang's work with
Kevin, can you hear me?
Midlands.
Yeah, good copy.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, go.
Right, 12, 12, 12! Kid runs to the trailer. Got the kid at the trailer.
Hey, we need to put one person in that house.
Can you cover me?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna move to the house, guys.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey, hey, hey! Check your right, check your right! Walk!
Alright, hey. Red trailer. We've got one at the red trailer. If someone can cover me, I can do it. Oh, well, how's that idea now?
Can you move up? Can you cover me?
Yeah.
Reloading.
Come back, come back.
Shit, I couldn't cover him from that angle.
Ah, he's right on this building. Got him. He moved back.
We've also got Jake in this one.
Okay. What? Ah, hit. Clip my arm.
Hey, move up.
Looking clear, looking clear. Clear. Still clear. He might be behind that trailer. Alright. Yeah. Hit! You still in that closed building?
Somewhat.
All right.
Don't take that wide.
Are they on the far side by the swamp?
Yeah, he's still, there's that, and then he's still in that closed building.
Who is it?
Jake. Ooh.
Yeah, I'm coming. Don't worry.
That dirty bitch.
How you get a frag in there, man? My Thunder Bees, they don't explode right away. That's the thing that's driving me nuts.
Hey, that's out that building? Oh.
You get him?
You down?
Hey, in the window, hide one. Got it. I see him. You can walk down if you want to get the cover out. Really? Horn?
What?
Horn.
Bullshit.
What?
Yeah, I'm still taking fire. Fuck that.
I don't know, but he's still getting shot, so I say return.
Yeah.
Fire.
Fuck that shit. Keep going. Suppressing him.
What the fuck? Hold on, hold your fire. There's fucking multiple horns.
Hold on. Let me get on comms.
Whoa, hold your fire! There's... Oh.
Kevin, who the fuck is using the horn?
Kyler, don't worry about it.
Okay, hey, don't worry about it. It's Kyler. Keep going.
Aim the fuck on, man. Give me a big... Hey, visual. Holy shit.
Gotcha, buddy.
Visual. He's on that window on the left.
Doorway. Loading.
Oh. Not good. What?
The fuck was that?
I don't know. If you can get to his right, upper right, fuck there, you can see this window right there. Hey, everybody. Well,
Gotcha.
he's buried on there. I don't know who it is. It's not you. He's just buried on the top.
Hey, got one running swamp.
We said no fucking swamp, you cocksucker.
He's running towards it. I don't know if he took that building or not, though. Yeah, he's in the building.
There's no window covered. Move. Hey, semi only.
Raindrops keep falling on my head.
Hey, someone can get up here. Holy shit.
Okay. Hey. Case.
Ow.
I want to try to get up to Casey.
Where's Casey at?
He's on that brown truck.
Hey, I got you covered on this building. Ready?
All right. Casey, I'm coming up to you. You know what? I'm gonna frag that building.
Hey, one's walking out. Don't shoot him.
Come on.
I'm moving behind these buildings.
Alright, I'm gonna get a frag right into that fucking, right into that building. Anybody behind this?
No.
Right here? Hey! Don't shoot, I'm gonna run across.
There's one in, one in my 12, one in my 1.
Okay, if you can get it fire into that building.
Now watch this 12.
Alright, good.
Is it?
Yep, I'm down.
Hey, you want that back?
Yeah.
Hey, old fire. Where did it go?
It's right there.
There you go.
Huh.
There you go.
Yeah.
Get it back immediately.
Thanks.
Don't worry about it, man. I saw that pop in. I was like, oh,
Yeah, no problem, man. I'll push back up and I'll get to my gun. Yeah.
One in the kill.
Jake's dug into that fucking kill house.
Hey, they're all moving towards that kill house.
Okay, you move the window.
Window. You got window covered?
Yeah.
Far back behind the building.
I'm gonna cut across here.
We got moved in the
Careful.
kill house. Move in the kill house.
Hey, give me cover fire. Ready? Go.
We got possible two in that kill house.
Hey, right to this kill house to our 12. See the guns waving around.
One boy. You gotta break my fucking kill house. How did he get you?
Who?
Jake, when you fucking bummed him.
Oh, no, he didn't get me. One of the other kids, I think it was Kevin got me. He was behind the other kill house.
Whoa, semi only. How the fuck does that work?
12 o'clock, center building.
I'm gonna start lighting motherfuckers up on hold. Kid, you fuck his day up.
Sorry.
Yeah, you back up. Shit, I'm out of batteries again? Yeah.
Yeah. Get rid of this smack.
Where the fuck is he shooting from? Copy. Behind the kill house, behind the kill house.
I got one on this open kill house I'm trying to get.
Is that a fucking grenade?
I don't have any more.
No, I just saw something hit the ground and stuck. I didn't do anything. I like this semi-only roll. It's
Right?
really out well out for us.
Hey man, they got that really fast trigger finger.
As soon as I see some smiling face, I'm gonna fucking wreck somebody's life. Where the fuck did JR go?
Ooh, that was fucking close. Are you fucking serious?
I swear to God, it sounds like it's on the back right side. Look!
Hit! Hit!
Ooh, I'm coming for you. I don't know, but it's gonna fucking be a bad day for them. Why? What'd they do? They fucking shot me. Fucking shot me.